Today, guys, we're gonna do the unboxing of Freeze Blade. And let's see how he looks like. This is Freeze Blade. And here's his card. And there's a sticker. And also we're going to do another video of Roblox.